So from artist to artist and now producer, Pink tells Richie Rich why he's the next big thing.
What's music without the producers? And here, and the next big thing, we have one of the youngest and the baddest right now, in the game. Ping, from the one and only, Abroad Records. Ping, what's style now?
Nah, wanna lie? Active my father, man.
So Ping, what one, man?
No, we there. They are try, no? Active up the thing same way, you know? Try push the thing out there and make the thing work, no? Fully Abroad Records.
Yeah, man, Ping, say, yo, just get right now, fam. Why? Why you start to produce?
Basically, music always my second choice, to be honest. Honest. Whole heap of ball we play. Manning Cup, Super League. So it's like music and ball have a connection. So it's like the vibe in a training, me always a DJ or a freestyle or something. But really and truly why music, I have a youth named Iview. Yeah. It's like, he rate me as a baller, I rate him as a DJ. So it's like half the field, and me and him, up and down, studio all about. Talented youth, but it's like everywhere we go, through an hour studio, it's like, you don't know it already. Get to youth, we are try. More time we never have money, I go studio, we just go studio. So it's like, me see the talent now, and I say, Jaja, oh, me can't make this thing connect. Because you don't know them say if you have a plan A, you have to have a plan B, you know. So music was always my plan B. Look like grow me and say my father usually do music. I never really see much of it, I just hear. So it's like, I don't see my father for 15 years, so the G fly in, we there. You know him come and him say, my son, where you want? I say, Daddy, you know, so we can invest in our studio. I say, invest in our studio. We get rid of him. We get artists. Said time I make him hear Iview now. So said time I call Iview on him phone. G circle round, Dede, spit 2 songs. My father said, no, but them talent are really there, I go to waste. So come up with the idea. So we're gonna build a studio. We look a spot for build it somewhere in our scheme. Where I say no. I put it on top of the roof. So I say, oh, it a go work. So I get one of my work, G them to come in and analyze the place. I say, yeah man, I can build it up on the roof, yeah, man. Make it look nice and thing. So anyway, that's how the operation start, you see me? So my brother come on board, start finance the thing now. So we start day and Iview I say, you know, me I hold it until the studio done. So it's like me I say, yeah, that is it, DJ, because we accomplish the mission. So we there and, you know, with that, we put the studio together and everything come forth. Corona chip in, so ball never really I do nothing either. So it's like music always there. Always a whole vibe and a energy. When we're there on Iview till we start rhyme, learn to build song, I put lyrics in a song. You see me? Because we always sing him song them, so it's like him start build him song them round, you know. So it draw me to music in a one way where me I say, yeah, really the life to learn this.
Hey, intense. Them act like them real, so we act like we know. Enjoy time, them colors like a shot.
Is there a certain type of music that your own voice?
I'm a very skeptic youth, you know. I don't fight where you want voice or where you meds. But you know, I come in here and I God, I'm a voice you. No time. So it's like certain type of music, I don't voice if you're not say the right thing. Because you have man who say anything, you know, forget a feeling. All if it's a trending topic. Once you go the Almighty, done there, so.
I hear that.
Done.
When I walk with God.
When I walk with God, when I walk with the teacher, man. I did it, man.
Check out the new music coming out of the Abroad Records camp. It's intense recommended.